instant relief. Feels
I know
good,
this one
right?
can like
Here's the
burst a
kicker.
blood vessel.
That satisfying crack isn't always harmless. Neck cracking involves rapidly stretching the joints and ligaments,
Yeah.
releasing built-up gas bubbles. Harmless usually, but twist a bit too far or too aggressively, and you can actually damage blood vessels,
Yep.
causing clots,
I knew that one.
strokes, or even paralysis. Sounds extreme, but it's happened. People have legit ended up hospitalized after a casual neck crack session. So,
That's why. That's why you like never. If you don't know now, now you know. Don't ever just sit there and just crack your neck if you're not a professional, because you can literally crack too far and pop a blood vessel and cause issues and cause you to have to go to the ER. Now, there's definitely